Hi there, my name is Nenad from Infineon Technologies. What you see here is the Infineon Robotics development platform. We have spent a lot of effort to create a system that helps you out there create efficient, reliable robots. So check out our how-to guides on what this Infineon Mobile Robot is, what it consists of. We will dive into the battery management system. We will go into the motor control to explain you how you can set up that the wheels are spinning. We will go into the sensing to sense the environment. And of course, we will look into the main control, which is basically with the software perspective, gluing this whole thing together. So check it out and let's build better robots.